Welcome to the AI chat feature in Instant Author. This powerful tool lets you interact with AI models for brainstorming, refining content, and exploring creative ideas. Let's dive in and learn how to use it effectively. The AI chat interface offers an intuitive chat panel with a range of customizable options. Let's begin by configuring the AI to best suit your needs. First, select your preferred AI model from the list of available providers. Choose the one that fits the task at hand, whether you're brainstorming ideas or refining your writing. You can also choose the language for the AI to respond in. Simply select your preferred language from the drop-down menu to tailor the conversation in the way that works best for you. Next, adjust the temperature setting. A lower temperature, like 0.0, keeps the responses focused and consistent. For more creative and exploratory responses, raise the temperature closer to 1.0. You can either choose from pre-configured system prompts or create your own. Customizing your prompt helps guide the AI to produce more specific or tailored content. If needed, you can add extra instructions for the AI. This could be as simple as specifying tone or style preferences to ensure the AI generates content exactly how you want it. Now that we've configured everything, let's start chatting. Type your message in the input field and press Enter to send. If you need a new line, simply press Shift-Enter. Watch as the AI responds to your messages in real time. Whether you're refining an idea or generating new content, you'll get instant feedback. Need a fresh start? Click the Clear Chat button to erase the conversation history and begin anew. If you want to save the conversation, simply export the chat history to a DOCX file. This makes it easy to keep track of your ideas and progress. That's it. You've learned how to configure, chat, and export conversations using the AI chat feature. Whether you're brainstorming, refining, or exploring creative ideas, this tool is here to support your writing journey.